Have you ever wondered what protects us from the sun's fury every single second of every single day? It's not our atmosphere, not exactly. It's an invisible force field, a giant magnetic bubble called the magnetosphere. But what if, in the blink of an eye, it just vanished for 1,000 years? This isn't science fiction. It's a journey into what our world would become. Immediately, every compass on Earth would become useless. GPS satellites, bombarded by unfiltered solar particles, would start failing one by one. Our global communication and navigation systems would crumble within hours. But that's just the beginning. Up in the sky, you'd see something terrifyingly beautiful. Auroras, normally confined to the polar regions, would erupt across the entire planet. The sky would dance with vibrant, shimmering curtains of light, a constant, global light show. It would be the most spectacular celestial event in human history, and also the deadliest. This beautiful display is actually high-energy particles from the sun smashing into our upper atmosphere. Without the magnetic field to deflect them, this solar wind, a stream of charged particles traveling at 1,000,000 miles per hour, would begin to strip away our planet's air, molecule by molecule. Over the first few decades, the ozone layer, our shield against harmful ultraviolet radiation, would be obliterated. Sunburn would happen in minutes, not hours. Skin cancer rates would skyrocket. Being outdoors during the day would become a life-threatening risk. Plants and surface-dwelling animals would wither and die under the intense UV rays, triggering a catastrophic collapse of most ecosystems. As the centuries roll on, the atmospheric stripping would accelerate. The air would get thinner and thinner. At first, it might feel like being on a high mountain, but eventually, the pressure would drop so low that liquid water on the surface would begin to boil away into space. Our blue oceans, lakes, and rivers would literally evaporate, leaving behind vast sterile salt flats. Earth would slowly transform into a desolate, reddish desert, looking eerily like Mars. Where could humanity survive? Our only hope would be to go deep underground or to the bottom of the remaining oceans. We would have to build self-sustaining habitats, shielded by thick layers of rock or water, to protect us from the radiation and the vacuum-like conditions developing on the surface. We'd become a species of subterranean dwellers, gazing at historical records of a blue-green world we could no longer inhabit, a world lost to the cosmic winds. After 1,000 years of this cosmic onslaught, if the magnetic field were to miraculously return, what would it find? A barren, almost airless planet with a faint, toxic atmosphere, a ghost of its former self. It would take geological timescales, millions of years, for volcanic outgassing and other processes to even begin to rebuild a breathable atmosphere. The silent, invisible magnetic field is the unsung hero of our planet's story. It's the guardian that makes life possible, turning a hostile universe into a gentle home. Its disappearance would be a silent apocalypse, a slow-motion catastrophe that would erase our world as we know it. It's a stark reminder of the delicate, cosmic balance that allows us to exist. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey into a world without its shield fascinating, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into science and what-if scenarios. See you next time.